name?
What's up? What's your name?
Spoiling bedsheets, my name. Bedsheets.
That's my bono pata my ears at you know. Well, babe, my name is Pluto Bells. I'd like to know more about you. I want to be your friend.
So, Bill, so you are the musician? You are so excellent. Hey, that your song come forgetting. Oh, Kaimi.
Which one? The football?
I want you to give me freestyle about that singing.
Sumoni ma wikiti skoni manasa ni na kembe ya na koti ikofo ni batwa inya ni kofi o fine kembe ya na osofo koti ebi ko mi shika bete yako ke wole oche bete yako ebi mene ya wo kakala yo ke shishi ajuda ni baba shi so true asale mama wuji kid show me bluff for wuji ke ye ni eta bete ya ovin
Hey, the song is so beautiful. Let me give you a bag.
So can we hang out?
Hey, so you want to hang me? Why you want to hang my neck?
Oh no! I just want us to sit somewhere and have some soft drinks, please. Okay?
Hey, me a pepeje phone antio. And fresh boy is on out here. We are questioning. I'm found auntie. And let's go and sit drink alcohol. Say me no alcohol. Say hey, placho.
We can go to Frankie's to have some ice cream. You know.
Hey, me akulana. You know me ice cream.